have a couple of case studies we can talk to. We've got a couple of ways that we've done this. I'll just give you two. One of them is Conifer Insurance Company. Fairly small organization, but they do have 8 subsidiaries, and they do specialty insurance products, okay? So what they do is they were going to go public. Excuse me, there we go. They were going to go public. They needed to meet the SEC requirements, and so they went looking for an ERP solution. And it was actually a very easy decision for them. They decided that what they needed to do was move to the cloud. They wanted to make sure that they could meet the SEC requirements. They wanted to make sure that all of their regulatory and managerial reporting was going to be fast, it was going to be up to date, and it was going to be accurate. And they wanted to be able to gain efficiencies in intercompany accounting and their consolidation reporting. And they accomplished that by using one system, one Oracle Financial Cloud system. They feel like they've got better access to information. They've got that one source of truth that we talked about a little bit earlier. And they fundamentally are very, very happy with the solution that we've been able to provide. That's one example, Conifer Insurance Company. Second one is EMC. EMC is a lighting company. Basically what EMC does, a big part of their market is if you're running old-fashioned lighting, they convert you to LED lighting. And the cost savings of that is pretty phenomenal for any kind of a commercial enterprise. So if you run a hospital, if you run a restaurant, if you have a gas station, any of those, convenience store, any of those would be examples of the kinds of businesses that they go in, they put together a plan. Now, they don't make any of the lighting. What they do is they put a plan together, they evaluate what kind of lighting would be best for you, and then they will help install that lighting at your facility. And as you can see, a growth rate of 249%, that's pretty impressive by any measure. And this is a figure they gave us. They've saved nearly 3 billion kilowatt hours of energy. I know that's a big number. I don't really know what that's worth, but it's a big number, no doubt. And EMC gave us a very nice quote here. They liked our work. We'll leave it at that. Russ was great to work with, and again, a very successful project. And one of the reasons it was successful is because we were on the cloud. And what we did for them, which you know, most of our clients just put up the cloud product with a very it's a very generic footprint. They don't need a lot of customizations. But what we did for EMC was we put together an integrated solution that took parts of financials, project portfolio management, and the other cloud footprint items that you see there. And we created a seamless ability for them to be able to do, by project, be able to track what their costs were as well as what revenue they were receiving and keep track of all of that. And the change management piece of that was one of the challenges that we were able to overcome. Again, we used cloud products. We used cloud integration services from Oracle. And we did integrate to some third-party products for particular needs, but the bulk of their solution is now running on the Oracle Cloud with really a tailored solution that we were able to work with them to build. And this is a project, and this is basically the core of their business systems now at EMC. So that's two examples, Conifer Insurance, kind of a generic implementation, and here a very customized implementation, both using cloud products, in this case both Oracle Cloud products. It's work that continues. We continue to get more and more customers that are interested in looking at the cloud, either as a part of their ERP solution or in total. And you know, Terillium, frankly, is moving with the market. You know, we see a lot of on-prem work still, but we see increasing in the cloud work, and we expect that will move forward here as the industry matures in the next couple of years.